Hey, will I be a multi-million-dollar YouTuber? Alright. Will I be a YouTuber that makes millions of dollars? Rats, why does it keep saying that? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have this 2021 Hot Wheels Rodger Dodger from the Mattel game series, number 205, and this is the 8-ball Rodger Dodger. This is not a super treasure hunt. Scored this out of Shaw's, oh man, like 3-5 months ago maybe. Haven't opened it. I was really thinking about opening it, but I haven't opened it yet, and now is the time to free it. Magic 8-ball, 73 of 250 for the year. 2021 GRY 70 international card. Let's just get this out of the packaging. And there's what you can see there as a focus that in. Has a thing on the bottom just like a Magic 8-ball would have. There's a nice look at it. Independent spinning wheels. Loving this Rodger Dodger from the Hot Wheels, the Mattel game series. We'll take a look at the base first. Concentrated Ask Again, and there's actually a bunch of different versions of it that have a bunch of different like combinations and whatever it can possibly say. Rodger Dodger. I thought the base was metal for a second, but it wasn't too weighty, so I wasn't really having my high hopes for this. Loving the gloss black on this vehicle. Really cool, and there's a Super Treasure Hunt version. Magic 8-ball right there, and the 8-ball Tampo right there. Pretty cool. Chrome rim, black MC5 rims. It's a really cool one. And we've got the chrome engine there, the big chrome engine. Classic Hot Wheels. This came out in a lot of different variations, based off of a 1973 Dodge Charger SE. But it's one of the most popular Hot Wheels ever made. Chrome interior. Loving the 8-ball Tampo on that. Magic 8-ball on the side once again. Back of the casting. Really liking it. Nice spinning wheels. Concentrate and ask again. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. Goodbye.